guys, as you can see we've got the table all ready for its final sand now. We're going to be sanding it down to 400 grit, and then once we've got it sanded down to 400 grit we're going to be applying the finish. Be alright with white spirits, won't it, Gary?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my word, that is going to be stunning. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? It's great. That's mental how nice that's come up. Right guys, we'll just give it a wipe down with some white spirits now, just so we can get it all nice and clean, ready for Gary to apply his finish, which we will be using Rubio Monocoat. But that is looking absolutely stunning.
Welcome back. Just a quick correction about what I said last week when I was pouring the table. I actually put on that it was pure black resin. Unfortunately I picked the wrong packet and it has got pearl and mica powder in it, so it's not perfectly black, but as it happens the customer loves it, so apologies. And I also want to say thank you very much to us new subscribers. It's going up steadily, so thank you very much. Right guys, the next step is to put a finish on the table. We're going to use Rubio Monocoat. It's a 2-part solution is this one. So it's 3 parts A to 1 part B. The B's a hardener. Really good product. You can get it in clear, which we've got, or you can have it with various different colour stains in it. So it's like a one finished process really. But we use it just as a really hard coat for the top of the table. So I'm going to get on with that process now. Right, so I'm going to 50ml syringe I've got here. I'm going to use 3 syringes of part A, which is the actual finish. So it's always, I find it always better to use a syringe because you know that you're getting accurate measurements. If you try it in a cup and stuff like that, it's a little bit more difficult. So is that looking like enough?
Yeah,
yeah, I think that'll be fine. So now it's 1 part of B. Right, now we're just going to mix it up. So states to do it for 3 minutes, just to make sure that you've got the A and the B fully worked in together. So I'm going to mix it for 3 minutes and then we'll get back to you.
Yeah, that.
Right.
Pickford's got a water bottle and he's got it taped onto the side of the water bottle who penalty takers are and where they usually go. Kitchen! Egyptian king strikes again.
We're just going to give it a quick wipe down, make sure we get rid of any dust. We've already cleaned it with some isopropanol to make sure that there's no grease. Right, now just going to tip half of this into the centre and just start squeezing it around. Just slowly coating it as you go in, so you're going in a back and forth motion, just spreading it evenly. Try and keep away from your edges initially. You just want to get some good coating in the centres, and then when you get to the end you can start pushing it off. It is, it's beautiful smelling, isn't it?
Smells nice.
And then just coming up to your edges and just getting it into all of those bits. You can always come back if you miss any bits. Right, we're back again. Just going to wipe off all of the excess, give it a nice polish up, and then it'll be ready. It's got to set up overnight, and then I can give it a buff in the morning. You can see that it's gripping. Whenever it's gripping, it means there's still some of the substance on the surface, so you want to keep going until it's just smooth. I hope you've enjoyed what we've been creating, and if you do like what you've seen, can you please like and subscribe and share? Thank you.